Welcome, friends. Today, I am going to be diving further into the worlds of Airbnb and looking into 10 potential problems with owning an Airbnb that no one really talks about. Remember, this is only just to prepare you for the journey. The rewards are greater, and there are money to be made from owning an Airbnb. I need your help to grow this channel. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you. Now, let's get started. Number one potential problem of owning an Airbnb is cleaning. You are going to be in and out of the apartment, making sure it is cleaned and ready for the next guest and the next guest. A clean apartment is essential for a good guest experience. And maintaining cleanliness between guests can be time-consuming task. Number two, dealing with guests. I like to call this customer service. You have to be alert to deal with inquiries from guests. And that means your phone is always beeping and ringing with inquiries from late check-in to directions on how to get to your property. Dealing with inquiries, bookings, and communication can be challenging, but essential for a positive experience on both sides. Number three, time management. Airbnb ownership often involves juggling multiple responsibilities, including maintenance, cleaning, and managing bookings, which could be overwhelming if not managed properly. Watch my video on how to start your Airbnb. Number four, guest reviews management. Guests would leave reviews about their overall experience in staying in your apartment on the booking sites. Bad reviews would turn guests away from your apartment, thereby affecting the number of guests who are booking your apartment. And this, of course, would have overall impact on your business. As an owner, you have the responsibility of managing your guests' expectations and maintaining your property standards. Number five, noise complaints. If your Airbnb is in a bustling area, noise can be a challenge for both you and the neighbors. So think carefully about your location, as noise complaints from neighbors can be a huge challenge as an Airbnb owner. Number six, check-in and check-out process. Managing this process can be time-consuming if done manually. You want to make sure the guests have checked out at the time they are supposed to and ensure that the apartment is made ready for the next guest. And also important is to make sure they have not checked in earlier than they are supposed to. Remember, your check-in and check-out most often than not is self-service. So have your key lockbox ready. Number seven, security concerns. If your Airbnb is in a shared space or a high crime area, keeping both guests and belonging secured can be challenging. I will say keep inventories of your belonging and keep your decoration simple. Again, I can overemphasize on the need to choose your location wisely before starting your Airbnb. Number eight, guest damage. Managing guest damage is another hurdle you may face. Accidents happen and you may need to cover some costs. So you may consider having some insurance in place. Number nine, potential problem with owning an Airbnb is maintenance issues. From leaky taps or faucet to burnt out electric bulbs. Maintaining your property is a must in order to keep your property in good shape. Therefore, you must stay vigilant. And finally, number 10, financial planning. Keeping tracks of your income and expenditure can be a huge task for some Airbnb owners. You have to prepare for this upfront before starting your Airbnb business. So don't blow all your return on investments thinking it is all profit. Keep some money away for tax purposes. So there you have it. Again, remember, ownership of an Airbnb comes with responsibilities. Research well, plan smartly before investing in Airbnb properties. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumb up, share with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Thank you.